Good morning. My name is Bill Boyd, and I am going to present this morning on the issue of attorneys serving on board of directors of nonprofit organizations, and specifically with regard to the fiduciary and ethical issues that can arise with regard to that type of service. Just a little background about myself. I'm an attorney with the Nyemaster Good law firm in Des Moines, Iowa. I'm part of the corporate department of the firm and work with a number of nonprofits on various issues, including corporate governance issues. I'm also the past chair of the Nonprofit Organizations Committee of the ABA Business Law section. And in conjunction with that, I have been the co-editor as well as editor of two publications for the Nonprofit Organizations Committee, including the Guidebook for Directors of Nonprofit Corporations, in which this issue, that is the fiduciary and ethical issues involving attorneys serving on boards, is addressed. But with that, just like to talk a little bit about attorneys serving on the board before we get into the fiduciary and ethical issues. In general, because attorneys have unique training and because of the work attorneys do, it's natural for attorneys to be very attractive candidates to serve on board of directors of nonprofit organizations. And so throughout the United States, we have many, many nonprofits that have attorneys serving on the board. And this can be viewed and be a way that attorneys can provide community service or service back to their community and find it to be a very rewarding activity. It does occur from time to time that attorneys will serve on the board as well as also provide legal services to the organization. And in that situation, they are kind of serving in a dual capacity. We'll be talking about that today and the issues that arise, but it's something that does happen and can be managed. In terms of board service, there are risks associated with board service, just like for any director. There's some unique issues for attorneys, and we'll be talking about those also. Bottom line is service on the board presents some risks, but they're just risks that the attorney needs to understand in order to be able to manage effectively.